Hey guys, Lawton here with Verified Investing, here with another video for Blofin. Now, Blofin, for those of you who are unfamiliar, is the exclusive crypto exchange of Verified Investing. Not only is it great for going long and going short, you can have leverage up to 150x. Let's take a look at what Blofin has to offer. All right guys, so let's take a look at futures. So I'm actually already in a trade on Blofin. As you can tell, I entered long and I have my take profit all the way up here and my stop loss right here on Bitcoin. I'm currently long Bitcoin, but let's see if we can find something else to potentially trade. So the great thing about Blofin is you can take a look at all of their pairs. I can trade anything I want from here, and I can see, okay, RVN USDT, this has been extremely volatile, at least on the hourly chart. But what type of pattern does this look like to me? I say this looks absolutely bullish. So let's go to market, how much money I want to use. Let's say, let's change this to USDT. Let's say I want to put maybe $100 and use a little more leverage, use 10x leverage and click buy long, confirm. And there I am. I am currently long on RVN USDT. Looks like a bull flag to me. I'm gonna add a stop loss down here to protect myself and for my take profit. Ooh, I'd love to see it move all the way up here. So there it is. I'm in a trade on Blofin and hopefully this works out in my favor. I've set my levels so easily. I can adjust my stop loss and take profit levels with the drag of a button. And I can even see all of the order books right here. I can see how many shares or in this case, tokens are being traded at any given price. All right, so that's Blofin. Thank you again so much to Blofin for sponsoring us again. There are so many crypto exchanges out there, but we chose Blofin to partner with because we like their user friendliness, their reliability, and we trust their product. We use it ourselves too. Have a great day, guys. See you later.